Hey there, working with clients on a retainer or need to provide a project estimate. Setting up retainers and estimates in FreshBooks creates clear agreements and helps you manage prepaid work. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set them up. For estimates, go to the Invoices section and select Create Estimate. It works just like an invoice but won't affect your income reports until you convert it to an invoice. For retainers, go to Recurring Profiles and create a recurring invoice for the retainer amount. You can set it to automatically invoice the client monthly and track the retainer balance against work performed. My crucial pro tip: use the Retainer Payment Tracking feature. When you receive a prepayment for a retainer, record it as a retainer payment type. This keeps it as a liability on your books until you do the work and invoice against it, ensuring accurate financial reporting. That's how you professionalize project proposals and ongoing client arrangements. Do you prefer working on retainers or project-based invoices? Why? Let me know in the comments. For more guides on client agreements, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.